Hello! In today's video, we will talk about the script tab in Replikant. First, we have the scriptwriter. Here, you can select how many characters are in your scene and how they are arranged. We are going to click on the 2 characters standing. In the Hero Characters window, you can assign the characters that will participate in your scene. Once your characters are selected, click Confirm. Now we're going to go to the Script tab. Here you'll have a blank script. If you ever want to create a new blank script, you can use this button here. Use this button to create a new line of dialogue. This creates a header if you want to keep things organized. This button will convert between the sequence-compatible script and the editable text-based script in the script pad. This will translate your script into another language. And this will automatically assign cameras to your current script. Otherwise, you can manually assign cameras using these buttons here. Here is where you can write your script. For each line of dialogue, you could assign a character, and you could also assign an audio file. Instead of selecting a pre-recorded audio file, you could also choose to record your own. Click this button to record an audio file and click it again to stop recording. Hi, how are you? You could use this button to play back your audio file. Hi, how are you? You can use this button here to override what your character is looking at. So you can keep adding lines of dialogue and assigning them to characters until you fill out your script. Alternatively, you can use a script pad to freeform write your script. Once your script is ready, go to the Sequence tab. There are a bunch of settings in here that you can play with. Once you're satisfied with all of your settings, you can click Build Sequence. It will use your settings to build a sequence in your timeline. Your sequence must have a camera. If one is not automatically added, make sure to add one. Hi, how are you? You can also make changes at any time, and then click Append Sequence to update your changes. If you have a character selected, then in the Details tab, you can adjust any of the details as needed. For example, under Roll, you can turn on foot terrain adaptation, so the foot contacts are nicer. You can also adjust the eye look at, head look at, lip sync, etc. Under Avatar, you can adjust the facial animation and lip sync animation multipliers. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.